Given f of x equals 3 over x squared plus 4x, and the critical point x equals -2, use the second derivative test to determine the type of relative extrema at x equals -2. Well, what I know about the second derivative is that if it's positive, right, it's concave up. So at some point c, right, if I plug it in, that's going to give me a relative minimum. If I have something that's negative, it's concave down, which means at some point c, it's going to be a maximum. If my derivative, my second derivative is 0, well, that's an inflection point. It's neither of them. So let's take a look at this guy, and let me rewrite it out in a much friendlier way so I can just do power rule. I'm going to turn 3 over x squared into 3x to the -2, and then add 4x, and then take the derivative of that guy. So f double prime, a regular prime rather, of x is going to be -6x to the -3rd plus 4. F double prime of x is going to be -6 times -3, which is positive 18. That was a close one. Positive 18, x to the -4 plus nothing. So if I care about -2, then let me rewrite this out. F double prime of x equals 18 over x to the 4th. Plugging in -2 is going to be 18 over -2 to the 4th, which is going to be 18 over -2 times -2 times -2 times -2, which is 16, which is going to be a positive number. So since it's positive number, we have something that's concave up, which means it's going to be a relative minimum. Second derivative test, so much fun.